So before we get started, we're going to first talk about exactly what XAMPP is. Now, XAMPP is a technology stack that will allow you to visualize your WordPress website without an internet connection. The best way to think of XAMPP is to think of it as a local server. So whenever you visit a website on the internet, like for instance Google, you're accessing a remote server. You're accessing Google's remote server. And that's why you're able to visualize Google. So in order to test your WordPress website without an internet connection, you have to first download the technology server stack so that it will allow you to visualize your WordPress website without an internet connection. So it's basically what XAMPP is. So in a nutshell, XAMPP is the tool that allows you to visualize your WordPress website without an internet connection.